Welcome to Thompson Smith. Today we've got on offer for you these delivery mileage Vauxhall Combo Prime crew vans, finished in kaolin white, the L2 long wheelbase version with twin side loading doors, twin opening rear doors and a second row of seats. Okay, so delivery mileage 1.5 diesel, 100 brake horsepower, Euro 6 compliant, offering a great saving from new. They're 73 registered with no miles on, never been used. As we take you around the vehicle, we'll show you some of the features. Good size van, these L2s, especially with having the rear seats. You've still got capacity behind the seats for sensible loads. Fitted to the van as options are a spare wheel, and we've also got rear park sensors. I'll show you the seats towards the end of the video, how they work and how versatile they are, but as we stand at the moment, this is what you get. So opening the rear doors, they have got extenders there to go 180 degrees. You've got this ladder mesh bulkhead which is adjustable, rubber floor covering and also load latching eyes. Inside the rear we've got these three seats which we've got ice fixings and 3-point belts all over. We've got floor coverings there. The back of the front seats we've got drinks holders and trays. Okay, there we see the clever sliding mechanism for the bulkheads and everything, which we'll show you in a few moments. In the front of the vehicle, being a Prime model, quite nicely equipped. We've got electric windows, electric mirrors, auto lights, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, front seats with centre armrests, Apple CarPlay, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, plenty of storage. Above storage also, there we see the 6-speed manual gearbox, conventional handbrake with cup holders and etc. around there. So there we see this vehicle's done 1.7 miles, so it's ready to go, ready to use. Balance of the manufacturer's warranty. Servicing intervals is 2 years, 25,000 miles on these Vauxhalls now. So we'll go on in a moment to show you the seating arrangements. Okay, we'll now show you how versatile these combo crew vans are. So obviously we've opened all the doors, all 6 doors are open as we speak. So we've got the 2 front seats in the normal position, the rear seats are in the normal position. So first thing we're going to do is put down the passenger side front seat to show you how you put long objects through, and then the rear seats a 60-40 split, so that's perfectly flat floor all the way through. We've now got a opening door through the ladder mesh bulkhead, so you can put long objects all the way through from the rear of the van right through to the front of the van. So then now we can put down the extra third seat in the back, so that's a fully flat floor but the bulkhead's still in position. Then we've got these clever catches at the top here on the ladder bulkhead, which allows us to slide it forward and then to lock back into place. So now we're back to almost the carrying capacity of a full-size L2 combo van. So how clever is that?